World of Concrete 2018 coverage is brought to you by DeWalt. Check them out at DeWalt.com.
You ready? You guys, what's up? Tools in Action. We're out here with Brandon, and he's Brandon, right? Yep. All right, let's start over. Well, something, dude, one time I went through the whole thing, I was calling the guy the wrong name. You know? What's up, you guys? Tools in Action. We're out here with Bosch, World of Concrete 2018. We're here with Brandon, and they got some new distance measure equipment that they got to show us, kind of really high-tech stuff. What do we got?
So this is our new Blaze Outdoor laser distance measure. What makes it outdoor is there's a camera built into it. So you can see on the screen, you have a crosshair on the screen, so you can't see.
You want to roll in here?
Actual.
See if you can just roll it down here and then we'll get on it. That way we can. How's it looking?
Okay, go ahead. So you can see there's a crosshair on the screen. You can't actually see the laser dot out in the field. And so in natural sunlight, the red dot will get flushed out. So you actually have on the screen where you're measuring. And then the nice thing is, after you take a measurement, it actually saves the image too. So you can go back and recall exactly what you're measuring, see the picture of it, and know in real time, here's what I was measuring on the job that day, and get your full sight. So the other nice thing is,
No, go. Okay.
is we've built in tutorials for all the measurement functions onto the tool. So a lot of the things we heard with complaints was, I don't know how indirect works. I don't know how wall surface area works. So now you actually have a tutorial built into the tool that tells you step by step in diagrams how to do each measurement type. So before you used to have to carry the manual around, no one did that. So now you have this directly on the tool. So it makes it very easy to use. Another thing we have is a built-in lithium-ion battery to give you extended runtime. So you have more runtime on the tool. Again, number one complaint from these things is it doesn't work the whole day. These will now work up to 7 hours runtime.
Just a USB charger?
Yep, USB.
So you can use an external battery too if you wanted to. Got it.
So USB, you can charge it in the car from site to site too, which makes it very compatible. And then another nice thing is we added in a side trigger to the tool. So imagine you're measuring overhead. Now you can actually press the button up here instead of having to press the button in the middle.
Yeah, that's huge actually, yeah.
So just making it more convenient for the user, really taking in a lot of their consideration and making it as easy to use as possible.
Cool. Good stuff. And then when's this going to be available?
They are launching in May of 2018, so this year.
And then price point?
The lithium-ion version is $299. The alkaline version is $229.
Wow, cool. And then is there going to be an Uber app on that so you can order Uber?
Maybe second generation. Yeah, we're looking at that.
Think about it, man. Cut me in when you get there. Give me a royalty check. Tools X, you guys, Brandon, Bosch, check it out. BoschTools.com. You know, Bosch has been around for a many long time. They're definitely known in the concrete industry, and they are for sure known in the laser distance measure arena. Hashtag TA crew, you guys.
Remember, for more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.